hải u nổ hải cảm thì hải
camera rồi tới làm sao vậy?
Bạn phao vô vi qua này, bạn cho ti qua rồi.
Maar hij is geen kleur meer, dus je hebt geen distance.
10 jaar ouder bent geworden gewoon.
Nee, je hebt geen Hindoe-stempel meer.
Hindoe-stempel. Stempel.
Hindoe-vlek.
Je bent een stempel. Ja, je moet wel. Maar het is niet meer zo.
Maar wat zeg ik, je ziet het niet. Het is geen kleur.
Het was gewoon een rode vlek met daarin nog een witte vlek.
Army of Cambodia. Army 1186 years ago. 1000 years ago.
Mai buồn mai
Tôi dục tiền này một tiền ngon ấy bên này
ra một đa nữa cho nó cha phụng cha
Tôi mục người một độ sống
xe tận này mà một ạ
Dạ, kinh cái nha. Đúng về sàn đúng đúng pri sàn đúng buồn đó mệt nó một cái trong bàn trực ấy.
This is a Bayon Temple. Bayon Temple in Cambodia. It's beautiful. Cambodia Kingdom of Wonder.
Rồi lừa ra rồi lừa trong chơ. Ngộ. Nhưng là vẫn đừng ngộ.
Bạn đi thăm không?
Thăm đi. Rồi, gần đúng không? Và Bọ.
family all different poses different meaning like I show you when you see Buddha instead you put your hands up like this meaning stop war please yeah and right hand up left hand down like this meaning blessing peace act and right hand up meditation and right hand down like this and then down around the body like this sleep right sleep reclining Buddha and on the right put the hand on the pillow and right hand on the there no one so he passes you know what it means
The King Chairavan 7 the elephant and king protect country have a war near country. The body line on the gallery depict from left to right the Khmer army on the march. Commander leading elephant and half with number of parcel. Signifying rank soldier and with word. With sword, spear, bow and scythe and other equipped with musical instruments such as going and drum. We can also see the men of transporting equipment and supply with ox and horse cart or people carrying food on the shoulder or on the head. The carving beside the pig thing my army accompanied by their wives and children to battle indicate the person of Chinese with beard and chinol with pincer.